How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session, that is session number 6 of chapter number 6, that is fractions, we are going to see the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Like fractions के addition और subtractions कैसे होते हैं and how you are supposed to solve that we are going to see in this session. But before that, let's have a quick recap of what we have done in our previous sessions. Okay? So we have already learned the types of fractions, that is, which are the types of fractions? Like and unlike fractions. Then afterwards, unit fractions. Then proper and improper fractions. Then to convert into mixed fractions we have learned. Then afterwards we have learned the fractions on the number line. Right? Then afterwards we have learned equivalent fractions. After learning equivalent fractions, we have learned simplifying of fractions. Fractions को simplify करना, right? Then the cross product of the pairs of the equivalent fractions. Then afterwards we have learned ordering of fractions. Okay? So till ordering of fractions which we have learned, and in ordering of fractions the two things which we have learned was when the fractions is with the same denominator, जिस fractions में denominator same रहते हैं तो उसमें हम numerator को देखते हैं, right? To find out which one is greater. So the greater numerator will be the greater one. But it is not so in the case of when the numerators are equal and the denominators are unequal. जब denominators unequal होते हैं तब क्या होता है? At that time जो डिनोमिनेटर में वैल्यू सबसे छोटी होती है उसकी वो सबसे बिगेस्ट रहता है, राइट? दैट वन इज द बिगर वन, एंड जिसकी वैल्यू सबसे ज्यादा होती है दैट इज द स्मॉलर वन. ओके, सो दिस आर द थिंग्स व्हिच यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड फॉर व्हेन द न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम एंड व्हेन द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम. सो दिस टू थिंग्स व्हिच यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, so this we are going to see, that is addition and subtraction of like fractions. So as you know, the like fractions means in which the denominators are same. So such kind of fractions are known as like fractions. Now over here there's a boy and a girl. So you can see I've drawn a rectangle over here. So now I have made a parts and I am going to shade this part. So this part is of Rakhi and this part is of Rahul. So Rakhi and Rahul are working together कि वो दोनों लोग एक साथ में काम करते हैं on a mathematics project. एक mathematics का उसका math का एक project है, उसमें वो दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. So Rakhi completed 1/5 of the project. ये पूरा का पूरा project है जिसमें 5 parts है. तो Rakhi ने कितना complete किया? ये 1/5 part, first part की 5 parts में से 1/5 part Rakhi ने complete कर लिया. Now, and Rahul completed 2/5 part of the project. राहुल ने project में से कितना part complete किया? 2/5. Rakhi completed 1/5 and Rahul completed 2/5 part of the project. Now, what part of the project have they completed all together? ये दोनों ने मिलके साथ में total कितना part complete किया? So as we have the same denominator, we are going to add these numbers only. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 3/5 part एंड व्हाट पार्ट इज येट टू बी कंप्लीटेड, और कितना पार्ट अभी पेंडिंग है कंप्लीट करने के लिए, टोटल कितना पार्ट अभी पेंडिंग है। तो इन लोगों ने 1/5 plus 2/5 of the project, so that we got the answer कि 3/5 पार्ट उन लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया। this till this they have completed, right? now और now what part is yet to be complete, अभी कंप्लीट होने में और कितने पार्ट्स बाकी है। so total how many parts we have? 5, right? so 5/5 minus कंप्लीट कितना किया? 3/5. so 5 minus 3 2, so 2/5 part is remaining, means it is yet to be complete. so 2/5 part is remaining to be complete. ये 2/5 पार्ट जो है वो अभी कंप्लीट होने में पेंडिंग है, right? so when in like fractions the denominators are always same, so you just have to add the numerators. आपको सिर्फ numerators को ही ऐड करना है, आपको denominators को वैसे के वैसे ही रहने देना है। you just have to add the numerators, that's it. you are not supposed to do anything else. let us solve another examples. okay, now I am writing over here 4/7 plus 6/7. 4/7 plus 6/7. so first you will write it as like this way, 4 plus 6 whole divided by 7, because here the 7 will be the common one. now 4 plus 6, that is 10, 10/7. now we got the answer. then after, if whether this number is simplified, अगर इसको simplify आप कर सकते हो तो आप cancel करके आप वो आंसर भी लिख सकते हो। if it is possible to simplify the fraction, then only you have to simplify, otherwise don't do. okay, then after next, let's solve the next one. 3/8 plus 9/8. so 3 plus 9 by 8, 9 plus 3 10 11 12, 12/8. so to solve 12/8, is possible to simplify this? yes, because you can simplify this as 2 6s are 2 4s are, and 2 3s are 2 2s are, so 3/2 is also, आप सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करते और वैसे का वैसे 12/8 रखते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, एंड 3/2 दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, वो भी आपका सही है। ओके, अगर आप 12/8 लिखते हो दैट आंसर इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट ऑफ योर्स, क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ एडिशन ही करते हो, आपको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए नहीं बोला है। नाउ वी हैव सीन 2 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एडिशन, नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर 2 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन। 4/11 minus 2/11. so 4 minus 2, first write it as 4 minus 2 upon 11. so 4 minus 2 2, 2 upon 11. then afterwards the next is 10 upon 15 minus 3 upon 15. so 10 minus 3 upon 15, 10 minus 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so that is 7, 7 upon 15. so in this way you are supposed to solve the addition and subtraction of like fractions. okay, now the next thing which we are going to see, that is what parts make up a whole, कि कितने parts होंगे एक पूरा one, a whole number, that is 1 is going to form, जब 5/5 जब सेम नंबर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में रहते हैं, at that time it is making a one whole part, right? at that time it becomes a 1. so for that we have a table over here to make a whole part. okay, so in which condition situations it makes a whole part. so now let us see that. Okay. Now first we are going to see the half. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it makes a whole 1, because 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 by 2 is equals to 1, right? Because 2 ones are 2 ones are 1 1. So you can write it a single 1. Then afterwards, if it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now it is given like this way. ये half है, ये 1/4 और ये 1/4. So now ये half 1/4 है, ये 1/4 है. So now what we are going to see, 1/2 is equals to 1/4 plus 1/4. तो ये कितने हो जाएंगे? 1 plus 1 2, 2/4. So 1/2 is equals to 2/4. So now 2 ones are no 1/2 equals to 1/4 plus 1/4. Now here we have 2 times 1/4. But over here, for this, we want some more 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4. ये हाफ पार्ट है तो उसका हम 1/4 करेंगे तभी ये हाफ होगा. तो हाफ को 2 पार्ट्स में हमने डिवाइड कर दिया, 1/4 1/4 and this again 1/4 1/4. Now let us solve 4 by 4, cut, so equals to 1. Right? I hope that you are getting it clear. Again I am explaining this. Half 1/4 plus 1/4. ये half part है. अब half का हम 1/4 लेंगे तो क्या होगा? 1/4 हो जाएगा. 1/4 plus 1/4 because it is a 2 part. So 1/4 upon 1/4. And yet 1/4 plus 1/4. Now we are adding this all together. So that is 4/4. Cut this. We got an answer 1. Now 1/4. The next equation is 1/4 and 3/4. 1/4 and 3/4. So 3 plus 1 4. 4/4 equals to 1. Then after 1/3 and 2/3. So 2 plus 1 3. 3/3 is equals to 1. 1/5 and 4/5. So 4 plus 1 5. 5/5 equals to 1. Then afterward 2/5 and 3/5. So 2 plus 3 5/5 is equals to 1. Then afterwards 1/6 5/6. So 6 plus 5 plus 1 6. 6/6 is equals to 1. Then 3/10 7/10. So 7 plus 3 10. 10/10 is equals to 1. जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहते हैं then it is counted as a whole 1. So these are the parts that make up a whole. जो एक पूरा एक whole, that is it is making a whole one number. So these are the parts. Now we can come up with some more example of this. That if 1 is there, right? We have understood the parts. Now for example, if it is 1 minus 1/2, ऐसे आपको दिया गया है तो आप कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इस फ्रैक्शन को? So ये 2 में से 1 ऑलरेडी माइनस हो जाता है. So what will be your answer? that is 1 upon 2. Now 1 minus 1 upon 4. So for example, I am drawing over here, there is four parts are there, right? अब उसमें से ये पूरा पार्ट हो गया होल पार्ट, अब उसमें से 1 अपॉन 4 आपको माइनस करना है, तो ये 1/4 हमने माइनस कर दिया, तो अभी कितने पार्ट्स बच गए, दैट इज 3. सो योर आंसर इज 3 upon 4. Let's see the next one. 1 minus 1 upon 3. So again, here that we have 3 parts. The first is the one is the whole part. ये पूरा का पूरा box, that is one whole part. Now in that we have 3 parts. From these 3 parts, one we are going to minus. This we have minus. So now how many parts are remaining? 2. So 2 by 3 is our answer. Okay? 3 में से 1 एक माइनस कर देना है, आपको जो भी डिनोमिनेटर में डिजिट दिया वो उसमें से आपको एक डिजिट माइनस करके लिख लेना है. If it is said 1 minus 2 by 5, then 1 minus 2 by 5. So look over here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 2 parts we have cancelled. So how many parts remaining? 3. So 3 by 5 is our answer. आपको ये जो डिजिट है उसमें से ये डिजिट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना, डिनोमिनेटर में से न्यूमरेटर को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 is your answer. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, we got 3. 3 upon 5 is your answer. Now another one, that is giving some more examples. 1 minus 3 upon 10 is there. So 10 minus 3, 7. So 7 upon 10 is your answer. So now after this you can solve it out very quickly and easily. Just subtract this, the number which you can keep the denominator same. Denominator का आपको फिर same ही रखना है, okay? So in this way you are supposed to solve the sums of addition and subtractions of like fractions. Now let us go with the exercise. Okay, now the question 1 is fill in the blanks. Question 1 is blanks. Now in blanks, the first question is 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. You just have to write the answer. 3. Denominator is same, so 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 8 is your answer. Now, if in the blanks it is given like this way, 6 by 13 plus then blank equals to 11 by 13. So what you will do? You have to subtract 11. You have to subtract 6 from 11. आपको 6 minus करना है 11 में से. So 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we got the answer 5. So 5 by 13 is our answer. Okay. Now 1 minus, if it is given like this way, I am explaining you all kinds of blanks. After that the same kind of blanks you have to solve it by yourself. Now 1 minus 6 upon 7 equals to, subtractions के blanks ऐसे ही रहेंगे, right? You know. Now 1 minus 6 upon 7, so 7 minus 6 is 1. So your answer is 1 upon 7. Then afterward, number 4th, that is 1 minus blank equals to 3 by 8. 3 by 8, right? यहाँ पे 8 पार्ट्स है, उसमें से हमें आंसर 3 मिला, तो अभी कितने पार्ट्स पेंडिंग है? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 पार्ट्स पेंडिंग है. So over here your answer will be 5 by 8. Right? बिकॉज अब 8 में से 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे आपका आंसर क्या होगा 3/8. इफ यू गॉट दिस आंसर देन योर आंसर इज राइट. सिर्फ आपको ये देखना है 3 में अगर आप कितने डिजिट ऐड करोगे तो 8 होगा. सो अब 5 ऐड किया 4 5 6 7 8 5 नंबर्स ऐड किए सो योर 5/8. ओके. So in this way you are supposed to solve the blanks. Now another one is add the following and write the simplified form wherever necessary. अब यहाँ पे आपको बोला गया है कि आपको ऐड करना है and then you have to write the simplified form. जहाँ पे उसकी ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे आपको उसका simplified form भी लिखना है. ठीक है. So let us solve the one or two sums I'll solve. The rest of the you are going to solve it by yourself. 5/8 plus 3/8. So 5 plus 3 6 7 8 8/8. So your answer is over here 1. You can write it like this way. Now number 2 2/9. Okay, let us solve some simplified. 2/9 plus 3/9. Now 3 plus 2 5. 5/9. So it is not possible to simplify. So we'll keep this number as it is. Okay. So if it is possible then and then only you have to simplify. Otherwise keep the fraction as it is only. Don't try to stretch it out. Okay. आप उसे stretch करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this was that, and now with this we have done addition, right? And now our next question is subtract. We are going to solve the sums of subtraction. Question 3. Subtract. So in subtract, the first one is 9/10 minus 4/10. 9/10 minus 4/10. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. 5/10. Now it is possible to simplify. Yes, it is possible to simplify. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 1/2. Your answer is 1/2. Or 5/10 is also right, and after simplifying 5/10 we got the answer 1/2. Then afterwards 11/12 minus 5/12. 11/12 minus 5/12. So now let's count. 11 minus 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So our answer is 6/12. So it is possible to simplify 6/12? Yes. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12. So our answer is 1/2 again. So in this way, if it is possible that this fraction can be simplified, then you have to simplify. If it is not possible, then keep it as it is. अगर वो simplify नहीं होता है तो आप उसे ऐसे ही रहने दो. ठीक है? So in this way you are supposed to solve the sums of addition and subtraction of like fractions. I hope that you have understood everything. Now as a part of revision I am going to give you few questions in the description section. Description section में आपको कुछ questions दूंगी and you have to solve it and give your answers in the comment section. और आप अपने answers comment section में मुझे बता सकती हो. Okay? And still if you have any doubt, if you have not understood any of the topic, then please tell your doubt in the comment section. Okay? Or else you can see you can rewatch the video. आप इस वीडियो को फिर से भी देख सकते हो शांति से. Then your doubts will get automatically cleared by watching out the video. So that is also the method. Or you can ask me in the comment section if you have any kind of doubts. Okay? So this was all about today's session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.